Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Thursday. It is New Year's Eve. Is today Thursday? Yeah, New Year's Eve. And in today's vlog, I want to show you guys some things that I picked up from Homegoods. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I am redoing my front bathroom. I told you guys that I was redoing my front bathroom soon, and yesterday with me doing all my decluttering and things like that, I just decided to pull all of my old stuff from out of my front bathroom and get that whole redecorating thing going. So I did pick up a few things from HomeGoods, so I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. I didn't vlog while I was in there because I really wasn't expecting to buy anything, because I like to get a visual of what I'm going to do first before just going picking up random stuff. And I really don't know exactly how I want to decorate the front bathroom, but I still picked up a few items, and I guess I'll just decorate around the things that I picked up. So I'll be showing you guys what I found. I did find some cute things, but let me show you guys how the bathroom looks right now. So we're just gonna walk in there, and I still need to get rid, it's dark y'all, I still need to get rid of the stuff that I pulled out. I'm giving some of the stuff to Ryan, so I have like some stuff just sitting in my hallway and stuff like that. It's not that messy, but it's just sitting in the hallway. So excuse the shower curtain. I had to leave that up there because of course my son has to take a shower and I don't want to have water all over my floor. So I took down the picture that I had here, the towels, everything is off the counters. I just have this candle right here. Y'all, this candle smells so good. I found this candle up under the bathroom sink. It smells so good. So I think I probably got this candle from TJ Maxx. It's by the company Lab. So this is how it looks, and it smells amazing. I had this burning yesterday. There I am. Hi. So yeah, I'm keeping this mirror up. I had two floating shelves up here. I took those down. So yeah, this is the space that I am working with, and y'all know I don't rush anything. I did pick up a few items, so let me show y'all what I got. Okay, so yesterday I went to Whole Foods, and Whole Foods and HomeGoods are right next door to each other. So I ended up going to HomeGoods and finding a few things that I can put in the bathroom and some other stuff that I'll show you guys. So anytime that I decorate a space, I like to get some type of inspiration to go by. I use Pinterest a lot to get my inspiration, so I haven't really found anything that I'm really feeling right now. So this will probably be a slow process to decorate the bathroom, but I did come across a few items. So I guess the color scheme would be black and probably black and white, most likely. Y'all know that's my favorite. I love to use those colors in my space. So I'm gonna just jump right in and show you guys some of the things that I picked up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, I am Sharika B. I shared a few items with you guys on Instagram. They always see everything first, so y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. But the first thing that I picked up was this really nice little fingertip towel holder. S-arm. I've never had one of these before, but I thought it would look really cool just sitting on the bathroom counter. So I'm gonna keep the tags on it just in case. Once I set up the items that I do have and I don't like it, I can take it back. So y'all make sure that y'all do that. If you guys purchase things and you're not too sure how it will work in the space, try not to pop the tag off right away. Just wait to see how you're feeling about it, and if you don't like it, take it back. Some people always say like, oh, you take stuff back. Yes, I do. If I don't like it, I'm taking it back. So yeah, so I thought that this was really, really cool, and it's just like a matte black. And did I tell y'all this was $9.99? So this is the first thing that I picked up, and this is what I shared on Instagram because I was torn between like 3 different styles. So you guys picked this shape, but it was just a regular, what do you call this, like a nozzle or whatever. It was a regular nozzle at the top. It didn't have this little piece in the back, and so I found this one, and I thought that this one was a little unique and different, so I like that. So you just push it down in the back and the soap will come out. So yeah, I thought that this was really cute, and this was $12.99. So I like it. So it's by a company called Hotel Balfour. I think I'm pronouncing that right, y'all. But yeah, so this is the way that it looks. And I thought that this was really nice. I think that's the first thing that I ended up finding, so I just went with that theme. So that's how I came up with the black and white bathroom. Up next is by the same brand, and I guess, you know, I could use this to put like cotton balls and things like that. It has like the square top. I want to get one more of these, like a smaller one, or they didn't have like the set. They had the ones that had like the circle top, and I just like the square top better because I thought that it looks a little more classier. So I went with this one, but this was the only one that they had. So I'm gonna have to kind of go in and out of HomeGoods until I can find like maybe one or two more to go with this one, but this was the only one that they had. So this is how the top looks, just a little square knob at the top, and this was $12.99. So yeah, I thought this one was really nice. Up next is this little black knot, similar to this Studio McGee knot that I got from Target. That's the first thing that I thought about. So this one was really scratched up, and it was $14.99, but because of all the scratches on it, like I know that I can just spray paint it to get rid of the scratches, but I had them to take something off, so he gave it to me for 10 bucks. So that was a steal. I thought this was so cute, and this was the only one that they had. So yeah, love this guy. It doesn't say like the brand or anything. Yeah, so I got this for 10 bucks. This will probably go like in the living room or something like that. But yeah, really cute. And then this is probably like one of my favorite things. I thought that this was so cute, so different. It's this vase from Portugal, and it's by a company called Sporvale. This vase was $19.99, and it looks like this. Just a nice white ceramic vase. So I thought this was so cute. So this is something that'll probably go up front, but I really like it. It has like the hole right there. So yeah, I'll put something inside of here maybe, but I just love this. It's just so nice and different. Y'all like that? Very 2021. This other vase, this one right here, this was so nice. I really like it. So of course this will be a DIY project. I'll probably either spray paint it black, cream, or white. I really haven't decided yet, but right now it's just a gray. It's textured. It's really nice. So I could not leave this behind. This is a handmade pot. This is also from Portugal, and this vase was $24.99. So I thought that this was really nice. Yeah, so love that. And then you guys know for a while I have been on the hunt for the Louis Vuitton book, and all y'all was saying like go check Marshall's. It's on Marshall's website, TJ Maxx website. So every time I would go in Marshall's, I've never came across any coffee table books, and I just kept saying, okay, I'm gonna go online, I'm gonna go online, I'm gonna go online. I never went online, and I found it yesterday. It was the only one. So it looks like this, the only one in there. So I just felt like it was meant to be, and I snatched it up so quick. I probably pushed 2 people down. Not for real. But yeah, I was so happy when I saw this book. I still haven't taken the, let's take the wrapper off together. Such a nice book. This book was $59.99. Looks like this. I have been wanting this for so long. So long. So this is just a nice coffee table book, and it just has, like, you know, your pictures of like luggage, clothing, cars, buildings, just stuff like that. Let me show y'all like the inside of the book. Just different things like that. So, you know, if you want to, you can have the book open on your table, or you can just, you know, stack them with other books, however you want to do it. So I love it. This is how it looks outside of the package. It's just a really pretty chocolate brown. This is gorgeous. Like, I didn't even know it looked like that on the outside. Yeah, so let's see the side. Well, this is how the side looks. Really nice, but I'll probably keep it in, keep this cover on it. But yeah, so nice. I'm so happy to have this book. So pretty. And then I found another YSL book, and this book was only 20 bucks. This is how it looks on the side. 20 bucks, you can't beat it. Let's open it and see if you can take the covering off. I don't think you can. Let's see. Yeah, you can't take the covering off, but really cute. So this will definitely be a book that I will stack. And it has like the gold Saint Laurent. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the inside. The same thing, just a bunch of pictures. This, like that. So yeah, really, really nice. And can y'all imagine like this book and this on top? I know it's probably washed out right now because I'm sitting in front of my window, but yeah. So that's gonna look really good. So I'm so excited. So that is all that I picked up from, is that everything? That did I show y'all? Oh, I don't think I showed y'all this little black caddy that I got. Shower caddy, because it is my guest bathroom. My son uses that bathroom, and he had a shower caddy, but it's a little old. I just wanted something that'll match the rest of the pieces that I found yesterday, so I got a black one. I don't see, it says it includes a suction cup, but I don't see the suction cup. Oh, it's inside this little thing right here. So it includes a suction cup. Of course, it frame loops over the shower head, 2 self-draining shelves, and the soap storage down here. And it also has like the 2 hooks down here at the bottom for your washcloths. Y'all see that? So I thought that this was nice. I think you'll like it. And I paid $12.99 for the shower caddy. Okay, y'all, so I also stopped at Whole Foods. So I grabbed some grapes. I found these beefless sliders. So I'm gonna try these for the first time. And then you guys know that I've been looking for the Beyond Breakfast sausage, the spicy ones, because I heard that the flavor was better. So I grabbed some of these and then 2 boxes of the classic. They're really good. You can barely tell that they're plant-based. Right, Tony?
Oh yeah.
You seriously, you like them too, right?
I can't remember.
These.
Oh yeah, them things were good. They was good.
And then I came across these We Tonic plant-based tonic drinks. So I got the Japanese matcha, ginger lemongrass, and the rose hip elderberry. They had 2 other flavors, but I said I'll just start off with these 3 because they weren't cheap. So I'm gonna try these and I'll let y'all know how they taste. And then we also picked up a bottle of Moet from Costco's. They're on sale for $35, I think. Right, Tony?
34, 35.
Yeah, $35. For the new year, we're gonna pop this bottle. So that is it. That's everything that I picked up. I'm so excited to be redoing this bathroom. Y'all know that decorating and stuff like that is what I love to do. So anytime you're decorating a space, take your time, especially before you rush out and buy a bunch of stuff. Take your time, have a vision on what you want to do, and execute that thing, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I really don't even have my vision yet, but because I went in there and it all started with this piece right here, so I kind of know, you know, which direction I'll go in. So like I said, I'm not gonna rush out and just, it's gonna take some time to get everything done and, you know, figure everything out, but I'm gonna have fun. Of course, you guys will be there every step of the way. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Sharika B. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in 2021. Bye, y'all.